Keeping up with ever-changing privacy laws can be difficult, especially when you care about protecting your business as well as your customers' data. Generating a privacy policy is the first step to complying with data protection for your business, addressing the many laws like the GDPR, CCPA, and CalOPPA. You may be asking yourself, do I need a privacy policy? If you collect any personal data, the answer is yes. Personal data can be as simple as an email address or phone number, but it also extends to IP addresses, cookie data, and even browsing history. The truth is, most businesses need to create a privacy policy. With laws changing every day, you need a trusted industry leader to guide and maintain your compliance strategy. That's why businesses around the globe turn to Termly's Privacy Policy Generator to easily create a comprehensive policy in minutes. Here's how it works. Visit termly.io, choose the Privacy Policy Generator from our products. Our easy-to-use generator starts by asking you simple questions about your business, then helps you meet your compliance obligations based on your business's location and the services you provide. From there, we customize your policy and provide easy ways for you to publish it on your website, including embeddable code snippets, Termly-hosted links, and more. You can even access custom features like different language options, multi-domain management, additional policy types, and cookie consent banners. Start for free at termly.io and take the next steps towards protecting your business.